Hi guys, AJ here with Indian Oaks Apartments. Just wanted to share some of our amenities with you. Here we have our awesome dog park. You come on and follow me in this way. You can see we have like this little waiting area, so that allows you to come in, close the door behind you, and then you can open this door just to ensure that no one else's pet gets out while you should be using the area. So as you can see, nice big area for your dog. You can take your dog off the leash. They can run around, they can have a good time. We've got a nice little red fire hydrant out here because you know dogs love fire hydrants. And in addition to that, we've got a nice little water station for them too, right? So we've got a water station for you, and then we've got lower ones for your pets as well, so they can grab a drink of water, and complimentary pet bags right over there for you guys as well. And as we come back out, next to us, we have an area for the children. We've got a nice play area here for the kids. It's actually brand new, it's newer to the community. So we're actually going to be installing a second one over by the pool location. So we have nice 2 big playgrounds to service the community here at Indian Oaks for all the families. Just wanted to share that little bit of information with you. Thank you so much.